I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is LearnDash. Select a task and select a course. Click Next. Search and select Actions. DirectIQ. Give here the client ID and client secret key. So please visit DirectIQ API token. Copy the client ID and client secret key. Paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your course page and click Login to enroll. Now click the Take this course to enroll in the course. The course has been successfully enrolled. Now go to DirectIQ and you can see the data came successfully in DirectIQ. Thanks for watching.